Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Select 2024 firm strawberries about 1. 5 2 inches wide. Wash gently and pat dry while keeping the green tops dry for handling. Gather 8 ounces of dark chocolate and 4 ounces of white chocolate, a microwave-safe bowl, parchment paper, a piping bag with a small round tip, and a tray. Thoroughly dry each berry for 30 minutes, then chill for 10 minutes in the fridge so the melted chocolate adheres and sets more quickly when you dip and pipe letters. Melt 8 ounces of dark chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl in 20-second bursts, stirring between bursts until it reaches about 115 degrees F, then cool to 88 degrees F for proper temper. Heat 4 ounces of white chocolate separately to 110 degrees F and cool it to 84 degrees F so piping stays smooth and holds shape. Test temper by placing a small smear on parchment. A properly tempered chocolate will set firm in 3-5 minutes at room temperature, glossy and without streaks, ensuring clean, stable letters. Dip each chilled strawberry 2/3 into the tempered dark chocolate, twist off excess, and place on parchment so the top green area remains free for letters. Fill a piping bag with tempered white chocolate, snip a 2 mm opening for a small round tip, and steady your hand. Pipe letters slowly using 3-4 seconds per stroke to create consistent lines. Allow letters to set 10-15 minutes at room temperature or 5-8 minutes in the fridge before handling, then store in a single layer for up to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.